As you can see, the Del Sol is in pieces. It's in shambles, guys. This car is just sad right now. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Blondie's Garage, where we go from 0 to 100. I know it's been a while, but boy, do I have an update for you guys. As you can see, the Del Sol is in pieces. It's in shambles, guys. This car is just sad right now. Look at the dust.
It's been a little neglected.
It's been very neglected. Less than a month until import face-off. So we had this crazy idea, complete restoration on the Del Sol.
Well, not complete.
I mean,
complete
yeah.
Exterior restoration.
Yeah, just freshen up all the exterior, make some upgrades, just make it look a little bit nicer.
Clean it back up.
Clean it back up a little bit.
Back to its former glory.
Show her some love. But today is August 28th, and import face-off is on September 21st at Thunder Valley Raceway in Noble, Oklahoma. So we're planning on being there. We're going to take the Del Sol, and we're also going to take our right-hand drive Integra Type R. So that's going to be a lot of fun. But yeah, we've got 24 days to get this restoration done. Guys, we've got the Del Sol moved outside, and now it's time to power wash it. We're just gonna try to clean it up as much as we can.
Yep, just get it cleaned up.
We've got the Del Sol back in the shop. Looks a lot better. We cleaned it up. I've got my other rims taken off. We're gonna do something to customize those. We're just finishing up taking off the outside pieces that we need to take off and get it ready for paint. It's kind of hard to tell in the video, but the paint job has a lot of imperfections in it now. We painted it, what, like 6 years ago?
It's been a while.
Yeah, it's been a little while.
Not that it has imperfections, it's got little things here and there, but the clear, it's got like water spots that won't buff out of the clear. Like,
yeah. It just looks, even when it's clean, it looks just splotchy and dirty with like water spots and stuff.
I can't get rid of the hard water spots, so.
And then I'll show you what happened over here on this other side.
What'd you do?
Someone dropped an engine on the quarter panel.
How'd you do that?
So there's that nice little area right here that we need to fix. We're getting the mirrors off. Those are one of the last pieces that we need to get taken off the outside. We'll put it over here with the spoiler.
Well, you about ready to get that door panel off?
Yeah, I'm ready. I just got it finished up.
You got the handle out of there?
I got the handle out. Everything's good with that.
Alright, well, let's...
Got it.
Got the window switch unplugged?
Yep.
Alright,
Where
yeah.
are we setting them at, babe?
I'll just lay it over there by the other one. Kind of over there by the drag hatch. Maybe past it by the spoiler. Shop's a little bit of a mess right now.
Yeah, it's chaos in here.
This 23-day Del Sol restoration is added total chaos to our already chaotic shop.
Chaotic chaotic life.
Yeah.
But
Chaos.
it's fun. It's gonna be awesome, guys. I can't wait for you to see this Del Sol restoration.
Yeah.
Or I guess it's a makeover. I'm gonna call it a Del Sol makeover.
Yeah, it's more of a makeover than a restoration.
We've got a list made up of everything that we're wanting to try to get done before we go and import face-off. That's gonna be fun. But some exterior things that we're wanting to do is change up the side skirts. I had the awesome carbon fiber ones and I loved them. They're pretty cool. Just custom carbon fiber. But the pieces got flaky and pretty much was peeling off. So we're gonna take the opportunity to try something new. But we're just gonna change it up a little bit. We're wanting to repaint the rims. We're actually gonna repaint the entire Del Sol. We're gonna freshen it up. We're also thinking about smoking the tail lights. We thought that would look really cool. Undercoating the bottom of it. And of course redoing the headlights and the fog lights. We want to freshen those up and make them look really good again. We're wanting to make some upgrades inside the engine bay. I want to replace the radiator with an aluminum one. Make it look really cool. I also want to paint the valve cover. Something bright. I don't know though. Something else that we want to do is just deep clean the engine and the transmission. Do a wire tuck. Get some silicone hoses. We're also going to get a turbo blanket to put in there. So that's going to be awesome. And then for the whole car, our plan is to lower it. So the Del Sol is going to go down low. So you know what that means. I'm going to try to win at low car limbo. Well guys, the time's finally come. We've made it to the day where we're going to be working on getting the Del Sol repainted. It's going to have a nice fresh paint job and look really clean. I'm so excited.